just by asking the question, how can I advance, means that you're advancing. If someone's asking the question, how can I advance, it means they're advancing. Otherwise, they say, I'm doing fine. I'm doing good, and no one asks me how I'm doing because they don't want me to ask them in return. Because if they say, oh, how are you doing? How's your bhajan? And I say, oh, I'm chanting 1 lakh a day. They say, oh, I hope they don't ask me in return, how is my bhajan? I say, how's your bhajan? Oh, it's sometimes 16 rounds, sometimes 2. So no one much asks each other about what is your bhajan, what are you doing every day, what are you reading, what are you chanting? Because people aren't doing much themselves. So you're asking this question, you just do bhakti. Bhakti is the gift of Krishna. Krishna gave bhakti, and with bhakti he allows himself to be controlled. But you can only control Krishna. It's like he gave you bhakti, and by bhakti we can control Krishna. But we won't be able to control Krishna until our bhakti is pure, and it's totally full of love and attachment and selflessness. So now we do more and more bhakti, and our bhakti becomes more pure and more attractive and acceptable to Krishna. Then he'll reveal himself.